Hello everybody, Eric the Green here. Thanks for joining me on the video and welcome to the channel. And I want to do a video today about garden moles. And I really like them, I'm glad to have them. I love to have moles in my garden. And I saw a video titled the other day about how to get rid of moles out of your garden. I thought, why would anybody want to get rid of moles out of your garden? Well, there are some mole myths out there that are not true. I wanted to kind of do a video today, maybe set the record straight on some of that. Around where I live, people will tell you that moles are eating their plants' roots, and that's not true. Moles are carnivorous. Moles eat larvae, worms, larvae of insects that actually are pests in your garden. So you want that. You want the moles there. Moles aerate your soil. They are an integral part of the soil food web. They're at the top of the food chain under the surface of the soil. And they aerate the soil. They're your natural tillers. And also, there are people that don't like moles because moles will go up and down your rows. They say that they uproot the plants, cause the plants to wilt. Well, if you're tilling your garden and chopping off your plant's roots 6 inches on either side of your plant with a tiller, I can see how a mole going under your plants might cause some problems. But if you have a natural system, a no-till garden, a heavy mulch, ground cover garden, your plant's roots are feet away, at least several feet away from the base of the plant. And a mole going under your plant is not going to hurt anything. It never hurts my plants. I have moles running everywhere. All they do is benefit your garden. Now, there are animals called voles with a V, not moles with an M, voles with a V. They're like, they only eat plants. They eat plants' roots. They will tunnel under the ground or use mole tunnels to eat your plants, but they are voles. They're like rats without a tail. And I don't have any voles this year because I had a hawk hanging around the garden all winter long. But voles, every year about this time, they weren't a problem anyway because the snakes took care of them. But they did some early damage to my, say sugar snap peas and things. But this year, like I said, I had a hawk hanging around the garden. No problems with the voles this year. But anyway, also wanted to say, about the moles, I haven't had Colorado potato beetles in my garden since I stopped tilling. And about 10 years ago was the last Colorado potato beetle or larva that I saw in my garden. And I think it's the moles. I think the moles are eating those adult beetles that are overwintering in the soil. That's the only explanation I can think of. I never have them. So I love moles in my garden. Moles are great. I don't understand why anyone would want to get rid of them, but I appreciate you watching, and hope I helped clear up some of those mole myths that are out there. Thank you.